Yo guys, what is up? It is Ryan Sneaks back with another sneaker review, and today I have one of my favorite shoes from last year coming out for this year. So last year, one of the best shoes that I was able to pick up was the 4% from Nike, which are the Nike Zoom Vaporfly 4%. I picked up the original colorway from Jackrabbit Sports, which is that ice blue fox colorway, which is really nice and super comfortable. The only downside to them is they're $250 and there's actually resale to them, so if you're able to grab a pair, they usually go for like $300 to $350, which is a lot just for a runner. Either way, I started my new job this week and I had orientation going. I missed out on these on their initial release, but when they sent us to lunch, I was able to pick these up off of restock. I got the alert from Nike saying these are restocked. Went on the Nike app. It took me a few tries, but I got them. So here's the orange Nike box. As you can see on the label, we got the 4% and 11.5 in the bright crimson colorway. You get your little receipt from Nike right there. $250 is a lot, especially $270 with tax. But when I'm paying $200 for Ultra Boost and stuff like that, the extra $50 on these, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I think these are better. Of course, you get a different cushioning system on these. This is Zoom X, not Boost or anything like that. So it is different. It's not as squishy. It is squishy, but it's more supportive. You get more feedback from it. Boost for me, I find to be it doesn't have a lot of feedback for me. It's very cushioned, but no feedback. This one gives me a lot of feedback and it's super cushioned. Like I said, this one for me is definitely the superior model. I love the shape and the colors that they're coming out with right now. I like the big branding on it, and then the Zoom X cushioning is amazing. I did have the off-white Vaporflies, or the Zoom Flies, whichever ones those are, I don't really remember. But those, they use Lunarlon, not Zoom X, and I was kind of disappointed in them. I would have rather had Zoom X in it, especially with the collab colorway. But I ended up getting off of them because the 11.5 was too tight. I ended up with 11.5 of these and they fit perfect. I have a 12 in the other Zoom Fly or Vaporfly. I can't remember what they're called. Alright, so the 4% are the Vaporflies, the other ones are Zoom Flies. So I was kind of upset when I picked up the off-white ones because they were the Zoom Flies, not the Vaporflies, which basically means they use Lunarlon instead of Zoom X, and Zoom X is like pretty much the best thing that they put on the model. So it's a $100 downgrade and you're not getting the same support and cushion. Now, like I said, for me, this one has just amazing support and cushioning for me. I will say that the ankle support is lacking. There's not a whole lot of it. It's very flimsy. And whenever I ran in my old pair, it does feel like you're kind of coming out of the sides. But the cushioning system and just the responsiveness it gives you there's nothing close to it in my opinion. Now, here's my original pair, the OG pair that came out. And as you can see, it has the 3 lines of text, and what it reads is engineered to the exact specification of world-class runners, making runners faster. Now, those came out when they were doing the whole Breaking 2 little thing going on for the marathon runners, and once marathon runners were actually winning in them, they changed the text here to saying measured in the lab, verified with medals and records. So it's just 2 lines of text now, but when prior it had the 3. So I thought that's a pretty cool change. They kind of show their accomplishments over the shoe. And like I said, I mean, if you're able to pick up a pair for retail, I would say do it. It is pretty pricey, but I wouldn't pay resale for them. I would only pay retail, but man, these are amazing. And like I said, the Zoom Fly, it runs a lot tighter for some reason. The 11.5 was super tight. The 11.5 on these fit me great. I have a 12 in the old model, the first one. Those were a little bit big, but I do like to have my running shoes a little bit bigger. But this one I'm probably going to use just for casual use because I like the colors on it. It goes with my Astro stuff, so I'm probably just going to use this as a casual shoe. Use it if I ever go back and like work at Finish Line, stuff like that. I can wear these. These are just amazing. Here's a quick shot of the back right there. Pretty much besides that, it's going to be the same when you go to the medial, lateral sides of it. Just a very nice shoe. I love the colorway. I love the colorway on these. I just love that bright orange. I think it looks super nice. And Nike's been killing it lately with all the models that they've been releasing. I can't wait for the Shocks to be coming back out this month. I'm going to be picking up a pair definitely with those. And pretty much just very excited to see what 2018 holds for everyone. I picked up a lot of Adidas stuff that I need to do reviews for you guys. Exhibition did a buy one get one free little sale at the end of the year, so I picked up 4 different pairs of shoes that I'm going to do for you guys. Some other shoes that have just been coming in. There's been a lot of end of the year sales that I've just been picking up on because there's just deals I can't pass up on. Hey, but that is going to be it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys next time.